Hey friends, happy Saturday. It's Saturday. When you're watching this, it's Sunday. I am just not getting home. My grandma had surgery on her ear yesterday, so she's like at my mom's house. So like today I'm thinking about filming a body doubling video. Like I clean up the house and I kind of film it, and you guys like can walk along with me, because I like watching these videos whenever I feel like I don't have any motivation, because as someone with a mental illness, it's really hard for me to get up and get motivated to clean and stuff. So having videos to watch that actually help me like get motivated is always helpful to me. So I wanted to make one of my own. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Julianna. I'm 24 years old and I create lifestyle content. I also have a Substack blog, which I'm going to link in the description box below. But yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, turn those bell notifications on, and let's go ahead and get started. I have my monster right here because Lord knows I need the energy. So yeah, let's go inside and get started in cleaning. I cleaned up my house, swept the floors, did the dishes, made my bed, and then I did my skincare, as you saw. And I have to work on my Substack blog, so I don't know if you guys know, I have been working very diligently on my Substack blog. I write all about fashion, beauty, pop culture, film and TV, all sorts of stuff. And I have a newsletter, and I make pretty good traction on it. I'm not making any money from it yet, but it is getting quite a bit of traction. I have 337 Substack subscribers, so that's great. I'm slowly growing every day. I need to check my notifications on here and also check my messages. I gotta batch write some writing blog posts so that I have some ready for the future upcoming week, because it's Saturday and it's August 1st. So like this is more of like a monthly reset, kind of like preparing for August, because I start graduate school this month. I'm so excited. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Let's go ahead and get into it. Friends, I don't really have much to do today, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. This was more of like a body doubling kind of post. Thank you so much for sticking around. I love you guys so much, and make sure to subscribe, like, turn those bell notifications on. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. I love you. Bye.